Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 330 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Mercedes-Benz infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, and remote keyless entry. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.